So first thing first, you need to sign in to the YouTube TV account under tv.youtube.com. And after that, on the home page of YouTube TV, you want to go to your top right of your screen, and then you want to click right here on the shop icon. And then you want to click on all to see all the channel and network. And then you want to search for GMA Pinoy TV. So right here on GMA Pinoy, you want to click on it. And then you want to add GMA Pinoy to the YouTube TV membership by paying for 15 bucks per month, and you can get 7-day free trial. So just click on next to complete your purchase by PayPal, credit or debit card. And after that, you want to go to your top right of your screen again, and then you want to click on the search icon. And then you want to search for GMA. And then on GMA Pinoy TV, you want to click on it. And then you can scroll down and see any live session, movies or series from GMA TV. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I'll try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.